Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make all Facebook posts private. If you're using Facebook and you want to make all of your Facebook posts private, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook app and then tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner, then tap on your profile here, and here just scroll down, and here under post section you'll see an option of manage post. You must have to select that option and then select your post which you want to make private. And once you have selected, you have to simply tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select privacy. Here you have to select only me. Once you have selected, tap on done, and after that your post will be private. So now no one can see your post on Facebook. So in this way you can easily make all posts private. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.